Welcome, today I am with Skullcandy Crusher ANC headphones and I'm going to show you how you can connect them to your iPhone. So at the first we have to turn them on and move to the pairing mode. So click and hold this button, keep holding. When indicator blinks on the red and the blue, we are in the pairing mode successfully. So put them back and move to the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. Select your device, and right now, as you can see, we can simply use our device. We can also go for App Store, where we can get Skullcandy application. You can download this application and get more features, like for example we can adjust the ANC mode manually, but it's not necessary. You can right now go straight to your music and listen. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.